In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Bulenox to Sierra Chart. Now, the first thing you have to do here inside Sierra Chart, you want to go to Global Settings up top, and you want to click on Data/Trade Service Settings. Click here, and then where it says Current Selected Service and No Service, click on that and select Rhythmic Direct DTC. So click on that and click on A over here to apply this. And here under Server List, you want to look for Bulenox. So there's going to be a bunch of different things. Scroll down until you find Bulenox. There we go. And then here, of course, you want to do the area, of course, that is relevant to you. So you will receive your credentials onto your email. If you don't, make sure you do contact Bulenox within your account to be able to get the account details required to be able to connect on here on Sierra Chart via Rhythmic. So I'm going to click on Chicago area, non-aggregated, and then I'm going to click on A. And then here you will have to put in your trading username and password, and then the market data and historical data username and password as well. Usually these are going to be provided in your email when you create your account for Rhythmic, and usually these are also the same. So it's going to be the same username over here, and over here, as well as the passwords, okay? Just make sure each and every single time you type that in, you click on the A button and then click Apply All and OK, and you are good to go. Now after this, make sure you also go to the Trade Station up top, so to this Trade button, and make sure Trade Simulation Mode is disabled, so there's no check mark over here. And when you've done that, click on the file top left, click on here where you can see it says connect the data feed, so it should say this. So for me, it's already connected. You want to click on that, and then it's going to connect your data feed, and you'll be good to go. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.